Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to the stunning Costa Brava in Spain. Get ready to explore the top 8 best things to do in Costa Brava. From picturesque beaches to charming villages, this coastal paradise has something for everyone. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and must-visit attractions that make Costa Brava a dream destination for your next adventure. Let's dive in and discover the beauty of Costa Brava. Number 8. Game of Thrones tours. Are there any Game of Thrones fans out there? Don't miss a half-day action-packed Game of Thrones tour, where you can visit various locations in Girona, where Season 6 of the famous series was filmed. Join fellow fans, explore the Old Town, and get a behind-the-scenes look at how the city was transformed for the show. Discover on-set secrets and fun facts that even the most devoted fans might not know. Your expert guide will take you to at least 6 different sites, including the Cathedral of Santa Maria, the Jewish Quarter, and the Monastery of Sant Pere de Gallegans. Number 7. Cadaqués. Situated in the northernmost part of the Costa Brava, near the Captivate National Park, is the historic fishing village of Cadaqués. The white houses surrounding the village church, narrow streets, cozy terraces, and fishing boats in the bay have long made Cadaqués a popular spot for artists. Besides Salvador Dalí, artists like Federico Garcia Lorca, Pablo Picasso, and Joan Miró also frequented this charming village. However, it is Dalí who truly left his mark here. Number 6. Bégur. Bégur is a stunning medieval hill town perched along the azure Mediterranean Sea. This charming town, rich in ancient architecture and surrounded by beautiful nature, is built against a mountain and features whitewashed houses, historic streets, churches, and old watchtowers. Its many fish restaurants and cozy bars offer breathtaking sea views thanks to the town's fantastic location. The real highlight of Bégur is the 10th century old fort, which is spectacular to explore. Be sure to bring your swimming gear, as the magical bays around the hill where Bégur is located are perfect for a refreshing dip. Number 5. Climb the steps to get to the Girona Cathedral. Admire the Baroque facade of the Girona Cathedral, dating from the 11th to the 18th centuries, now known as the Cathedral of St. Mary of Girona. Perched on the city's highest point, this church was once a mosque before being reconverted and fully restored as a church in 1117 AD. It is renowned for having one of the world's widest Gothic naves, a 14th century Gothic portrait of St. Michael, and a notable 12th century tapestry of creation. During a walking tour of Girona, you can explore the church's exterior and appreciate its diverse architectural styles, reflecting the lengthy construction period. Your guide will highlight Romanesque, Baroque, and Gothic elements, among others. Number 4. Plan a trip to Sant Pere de Rhodes. Discover the rich history of Sant Pere de Rhodes, an ancient Benedictine monastery dating back to 878 AD, offering breathtaking views of Costa Brava. Situated in Girona, the Romanesque Sant Pere de Rhodes is surrounded by intriguing legends, from runaway monks to shipwrecks. Despite the mysteries, it has undeniably become one of Spain's most significant religious sites in recent years. Over time, wars and theft led to the disappearance of many items from the monastery until it was restored in the 1930s. Today, Christian pilgrims often visit to admire the religious relics inside, including the possible remains of St. Peter. Number 3. The Mediterranean air at the Jardín Botánico Marimurtra, located in Blanes. The serene Jardín Botánico Marimurtra offers a comprehensive introduction to the diverse flora of Spain's Costa Brava. Delight your senses as you explore over 4,000 different plant species, arranged in various themed gardens, all with stunning views of the coast as the garden stretches along the Mediterranean's edge. From cactus and succulent gardens to exotic flowers and towering trees, take a relaxing stroll through the park, pausing on one of the many benches to soak in the tranquil scenery. Entry tickets to the botanical gardens start at €8, with guided tours available for 60 and 90-minute sessions at an additional cost. Number 2, try some snorkeling around the Meads Islands. Imagine an exhilarating snorkeling adventure to explore the vibrant marine life and stunning colors just beneath the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean. Hop on a boat and get dropped off at the Meads Island Natural Marine Reserve near Lestartit, where you can witness massive schools of fish, diverse coral communities, fascinating plants, underwater vegetation, and even a few dolphins. Before you embark on your underwater journey, you'll receive a concise yet thorough safety briefing, get all the necessary equipment, and then head to the islands with your guide for an unforgettable snorkeling experience. Some snorkeling tours last 2 hours, with about 50 minutes spent underwater. Groups typically consist of 8 to 10 people. After snorkeling, you'll have time to swim leisurely or relax and sunbathe on the boat's deck, soaking in the beauty of this protected natural area. Number 1, Old Town. Admire the magnificent 12th century Murallas de Tossa, located in the picturesque town of Tossa de Mar. These historic walls, built to protect the city from North African pirates, have become an iconic symbol of Costa Brava. Examine the 7 well-preserved walls that adorn the views from Old Town and central Playa Grand Beach. Some of the walls are accessible from Old Town, offering incredible vistas of both the Old Town and the beach. To enter Old Town, pass through the arched entryway adorned with a cross, featuring Christ on one side and the Virgin Mary on the other, next to the clock tower. Once inside, wander through the charming streets and marvel at the beautiful architecture of the 17th century homes and buildings.